In this short video, I'm going to show you how to make a circle button on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to open up your Wix editor and find or add the button that you want to turn into a circle. So in my case, I want to use this button right here that I want to turn into a circle. So highlight the button that you want to use. And then if you take a look right up here, there will be a bunch of different options that will appear. The one you want to click on is the design option right here. Now, when it comes to turning your button into a circle, you have two different options. You can either do it manually by customizing the design, or you can opt for one of the available button templates right here. So I'm going to choose this one because that's the easiest and the fastest way to do it. And then we can change the design later. So as you can see, the button is not yet round. So what you want to do is click on the button and then just drag this down until the height reaches the same size as the width. So we're aiming for 136, which is just about there. Now, if you want to make the button smaller, and keep the proportions, what you can do is basically just drag it like this. As you can see, it keeps the correct proportions and make it bigger or smaller. In my case, I can't really make it any smaller than what it was at 130, I think. I can only make it bigger. So yeah, now if you want to customize the button, let's say you want to change the color of the text, you can basically head over to design and then customize design right here, and then play around with the colors, the opacity, and so forth. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a circle button on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.